Encountering the unable to add pass error when trying to add your Ticketmaster ticket to Apple Wallet can be incredibly frustrating. This common issue affects thousands of users and stems from several technical factors. As of 2025, Ticketmaster maintains its integration with Apple Wallet, but intermittent issues persist due to iOS compatibility problems, enhanced security protocols, and complex integration architecture between the two platforms. Users report several recurring error patterns. These include error messages appearing after successful ticket purchases, passes appearing corrupted or incomplete in the Wallet app, timing-related failures when attempting to add passes immediately after purchase, and network connectivity issues during the transfer process. For successful pass addition, your iPhone needs to meet specific technical requirements. You need iOS 12 or later, with iOS 16 or higher recommended for optimal performance. An active internet connection is essential during setup, along with sufficient device storage space. The integration between Ticketmaster and Apple Wallet relies on PassKit framework technology, which requires proper digital certificates, specific file formats, and secure communication protocols. Understanding these technical foundations helps explain why the process sometimes fails and prepares you for the troubleshooting steps ahead. The first and often most effective method is using the direct email or SMS link approach. This method has the highest success rate because it uses the original ticket delivery system. Start by locating your original ticket confirmation email or text message from Ticketmaster. Look for the blue Add to Apple Wallet button in the message. Important tip: if the button appears inactive, wait 10 to 15 seconds before tapping. This allows the system to fully load the pass data. If the email method doesn't work, try method 2, using the Ticketmaster mobile app directly. This method requires the latest version of the app. First, update the Ticketmaster app to the latest version from the App Store. Then log into your account and navigate to My Events to find your tickets. If the wallet integration option doesn't appear, try clearing the app cache by deleting and reinstalling the Ticketmaster app. Method 3 uses your web browser. This is important. You must use Safari browser specifically, as other browsers may have compatibility issues with Apple Wallet. Open Safari and log in to Ticketmaster.com. Navigate to your tickets and select Add to Wallet. Make sure to disable any ad blockers as they can interfere with the wallet integration process. Method 4 involves system-level troubleshooting when the previous methods fail. This addresses deeper iOS and connectivity issues. Start by restarting your iPhone to clear temporary system conflicts. Press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Next, check your iOS version and update if you're behind by more than one major version. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. Verify that the Wallet app has proper permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then check the Wallet app permissions. Finally, if connectivity issues persist, reset your network settings. This will delete all network settings and return them to factory defaults, which often resolves wallet connectivity problems. Here's a crucial timing tip that significantly improves success rates. Wait 10 to 15 minutes after purchasing your ticket before attempting to add it to your wallet. Research shows that waiting improves success rates by 30%. This allows Ticketmaster's servers to fully process your purchase and generate the proper wallet pass data. These 4 methods should resolve most Ticketmaster to Apple Wallet issues. Try them in order, and remember that patience and the right timing often make the difference between success and frustration.